Hello, this is Dia Damson, and today we are going to play with watercolor and water. And I have a lot of people asking me how much water should I use. So I just want to show you what happens with this type of paint, watercolor paint, when you add that paint to a lot of water on the paper or medium wet paper or no water on the paper at all. So obviously on the bottom is no water, the middle part is the medium kind of damp paper, and the top one is very wet, super drenched. And once you add your paint to the top, you'll see how it's just merging really fast moving, and the middle section is a little slower, and the bottom pretty much merging does not happen at all unless they touch, because if I put my yellow very close to the red is going to be wet, and also the yellow is going to be wet, so they very slightly will start merging, but the water is not present on the canvas, which will not help them to merge around. So I am going to do another side, and I'm gonna do a couple of different things here. So again, I'm gonna put a lot of water on the top, and then a little bit less water, which means I just dunk my brush once in the water and just spread it around so my paper is wet. The top is full of water, and you can see how fast the paint just moves around versus the middle where it stays a little bit more together, and the bottom does not move at all. So here's, I'm going to do a couple of different things for you, and this is when I talk about softening the edge. So I'm applying paint, and then with a wet clean brush I am just approaching that line of blue and taking away some of the color from the edge. And then I'm gonna do, my paint brush is on top of the paint stripe, and then I am activating that paint that I applied earlier. Now I'm just gonna drop a little bit of red in it so you can see how it spreads, but pretty much that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and happy painting. See you soon. Thanks.